Reese. And I'm Dahlia.
And you guys are here to tell us about your science fair experiment, which was?
Does the type of container ice cream is affect how fast it melts?
Okay, so you wanted to see, does the type of container that your ice cream is in affect how fast it melts? What did you hypothesize?
We hypothesized that the metal would melt the fastest because in a lot of our research it said that metal has high thermal energy, which basically means if you put something cold in it, it reacts to it very fast.
Okay.
And so the ice cream will melt faster.
Okay. What made you decide to do this experiment with ice cream?
We decided to do this experiment because we can apply it to everyday life. A lot of people love ice cream.
Yeah. And you could choose a container that's going to keep your ice cream cold.
Yeah.
All right. So tell me how you ran your experiment.
We ran our experiment as we found 3 containers and we measured 1/2 cup of ice cream in every container.
What were the 3 containers you used?
We used metal, glass, and plastic.
Okay. And you measured 1/2 cup?
Yes. 1/2 cup of ice cream.
Okay.
We put them in at the same times in case anything, if we did it at the different times, then it might affect it.
Okay.
And we set a timer for 10 minutes. Once the timer went off, we measured how much melted with either like one of these or this because the metal melted a lot.
So a measuring cup.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, are those like little medicine cups?
Yes.
Ah, okay, okay.
And we did that every 10 minutes for 40 minutes.
Okay.
So we did it 4 times.
Okay. And what did you find?
Within the first 20 minutes, the metal was liquid.
Okay.
And then the glass melted second, and then plastic was the one that melted ice cream the longest.
And did that go along with what you learned in the research?
Yes.
What about with glass and plastic? Did you guys find anything out about those or how they would react to the cold?
They did not have as much like thermal energy as the metal.
Okay.
So they would melt, but it wouldn't be as like big as the metal would melt.
Okay. Okay. And how did you show your data? Can you tell me on your graphs what you showed?
We showed how much melted every trial. We did 3 trials, and every time the metal melted all the ice cream. And then it goes down every trial.
So is that the ending amount right there? That's the amount total that melted?
Yes.
Okay, so you did this on 3 separate occasions. Okay. If you were to do this experiment again in the future, what would you do differently?
We would probably try to find the size of the bowl, like maybe the same, because maybe since the sides are touching the ice cream, it might affect the melting time. And also with the dairy, we might try it again because dairy might affect it.
What kind of ice cream did you use? Regular?
Chocolate.
Okay.
Regular chocolate.
So you might try a different type of ice cream.
Yeah, maybe see if that affects it.
Okay. Interesting. All right. Nice work. Very nice job on your experiment.